What's up guys, RJ here of CS Backs. In this episode, I'm going to replace my fire alarm for the first time. To remove the fire alarm, just twist it clockwise. It's easy. We need to unclip this one first by squeezing both sides. There you go. This is my old fire alarm. Based on the sticker, probably this was installed last 2008. And the product says need to replace after 10 years. So my fire alarm needs to retire. Right now, we're heading to the Home Depot. We're gonna check some fire alarm. My fire alarm is overused. Need to rest. And always chirping. That's why it's time to replace it. Okay. So we're here at Home Depot right now. We're gonna check some fire alarm or smoke alarm. Alright, we're here. So we're gonna check some fire alarm similar to my old one. Let's check this out. Alright, this is our new fire alarm. So similar brand, same model, but the difference is this is a battery backup. Unlike to our old one, there's no battery backup. Unboxing time. Let's check what's inside. Let's rip this off. Alright, here's the new fire alarm, and this is a new wire, so everything's here. Let's install this. For safety purposes, safety reminders, make sure you turn off your switch. So right now, we're gonna remove the wire, the old wire, one by one. Before you do this, guys, if you have tester, make sure you test the wire if it's dead for safety. In this video, I wear gloves because my hand is sweating. Because this is my first time to do this. If you have a gloves PPE, it's better you wear that for safety. Okay, we're gonna connect the new black wire. We need to remove this one by one. Now we're gonna remove the white one. This is the critical point, rewiring. But it's easy. Before you do this, guys, make sure you read the instruction, the guidelines, and most important thing is turn off the breaker. Okay, it's time to connect the new white wire. And the last red wire, we're gonna remove this. Alright, gonna connect the new red wire. This one. This is the last one. Okay, let's twist this. Twist, twist. Alright, all wires are connected. It's time to put this back. Okay, it's time to put the mounting plate. We're almost done. It's time to turn on the switch. We're all done. The green light indicates the detector is on. We're all done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment. Have a good one from CS Backs. Peace!